Good mythical morning. Bubba Sawyer here. You might wonder what I got here. This is a metal etcher. I'll turn it on and let you hear it. See it? It's got this tip here. You can draw, sign your name on metal. Got it marked off here. You can kind of see. Going to etch in the cracking on the chainsaw. I figured I'd do it on camera and show you guys. This looks like a tattoo gun, what it reminds me of, but it's not what it is. I'm going to define this line here that I have drawn out. You start here and do it by kind of etched in with a pocket knife. So. Looking good, looking good. Starting to look good. Turn it over. And let's kind of look, get you a look there. Yeah. I'll try to get up a little closer here and do some more etching. Go in the downward position. You see the crack here? Or not the crack, the simulated crack. That little lip right there, you want to kind of crack on up there and blend it in. Do that there, but I'm not going to keep doing this on camera because I'm going to stop it here at the 3-minute mark. But you just keep doing that. Keep going up till you get your little rut going in there. Thanks for watching, guys.